Perigo!
Hey guys!
What the heck is this?
Got a 1964 T-Bird. Been in a barn for 24 years.
That's
Got two of them, a brother and sister car. And I don't know what we're going to do with it yet. We're going to get it running though. Look at all the rat nest in there.
man, this thing is like
Virgil! Yeah, it's grab that 5 gallon diesel. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna get this thing running. It's unleaded. It's diesel. Put it in there.
diesel.
Yep.
What we put diesel in here for?
Stick it down the oil hole.
Diesel?
Yep. Fill the motor full of diesel. You ever seen a cucumber?
Yeah, I know what a cucumber is.
You know what a pickle is?
Yeah, I know what a
You
pickle
know what the difference is?
No, I don't.
Nothing. One set in vinegar. You know a pickle comes from a cucumber, right?
I do now.
All
I
right.
never put too much thought into
Put
a
that.
cucumber.
We're gonna pickle the inside of this motor. Don't spill it all over everything.
This just feels wrong.
Well, what we're gonna do, you know, this motor has been set for 25 years. It's been rusting. That diesel is gonna loosen everything up. We're gonna let it set for a couple days. Then we're gonna get this motor unlocked, and we're gonna get this thing running. So here in a few days, guys, you're gonna hear this thing fire up. So anyway, I'm hoping you'll get to hear it fire up. So
Pickling a motor, ain't that?
we're gonna
something?
pickle a motor. Yep. Anytime you have a motor locked up, just put this or Marvel Mystery Oil works good too. That mixed with diesel. So anyway, and then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with this car. I'm not for sure. We're gonna maybe cut the top off of it and make it look like a Batmobile or something. We're gonna do something fun. So anyway, got plenty of projects going, guys. We'll get something going on the wrecker. We're gonna shoot another video tomorrow probably and show you the status of that. It's coming along good. We got the Roadster, we got fenders on that. We just got a lot of things going. We'll be getting you guys hooked up with being able to see that. Guys, thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe on our YouTube channel, Autotex Frame and Body. So we appreciate you. Remember, like and share. You're going to be in drawings for a free paint job at the end of the year, and we're giving away $100 a week. Everybody that likes and shares will go in that drawing. So, and then we'll start doing those online so you know who wins that, and then you come in and pick up your money. So we got hats and t-shirts coming, all that good stuff. So guys, have a great Tuesday. It's almost over. All right? See you later.